Namaste students. Students, in last class we have learned mixed sums. So in the exercise 7th B, last fifth main, some four questions are there. That there are different questions. So it means same mixed sum problems are there, but we can do for this using the different method we have to follow. Okay, now look at the board. I have written in the board. So exercise 7th B, sub first one, fifth main, first one A, subtract the sum of 3, 6 by 10, the sum of 3, 6 by 10 and 3, 1 by 5 from 12. From 12. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ, ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 3, 6 by 10 and 3, 1 by 5. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್, ಅಡಿಷನ್. ಸಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಅಡಿಷನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೊ 12 ಇಂದ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರಲ್ ಫಾರಮ್. ಸೊ 12 ಮೈನಸ್ 3, 6 by 10 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3, 1 by 5. ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 3, 6 by 10 ನ 3, 1 by 5 ನ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನ 12 ಇಂದ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 12 ಇಂದ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಡಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ 12 ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡೂ, ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ದೀಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 12 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಡು 12 ಅನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, 3, 6, 10, 3 30, 30 plus 6, 36 by 10 plus 5, 3 15, 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. Okay, so now 12 as it is. Okay, take the, so 10 and 5 are different, so unlike fractions are there, so we can make two like fractions. Take the LCM of 10 and 5. 10 and 5 is 10. So can we find out the 5 and 10? 5 1 the 5 2 the again 2 2 1 the 2. Okay, the 10 is LCM. Okay, now 12 minus, okay, uh, 36 by 10 plus 16 by 5. So 12 minus 10. Okay, 10 to the, so 10 1 the, so 36 1 the 36 plus, okay, 5 to the, okay, 16 to the 32. So okay, direct ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, direct add ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay, next 12 minus 12 minus 68 by 10. 68 by 10. So now subtract it. So ಗುರುಜಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಗುರುಜಿ, ಸೊ 12 minus 68 by 10. ಸೊ ಗುರುಜಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ 1. ಈಗ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆದವು. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ LCM. 10 and 1 ಗೆ LCM ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 10 and 5 ಗೆ LCM ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 10 and 5. Okay, so wait for. Okay, students, now it is very easy. Okay, now take the LCM of 1 and 10. So LCM is 10. LCM is 10. The LCM of 1 and 10 is 10. LCM of 1 and 10 is 10. So now we can using this number 10. LCM is 10. Okay, now 10. So 110 the 10. 110 the 10. So multiply here 10. 120 minus, okay, 10 1 the 10. So again multiply here 1. 68 on the 68. Now subtract it. So okay, now subtract 120 minus 68. So we have get 52. We have get 52 by 10. Okay, now 52 10 by 10. So we should write is right in the short form. We can make to short form. Okay, 2 2 to the 2 to the 4, 2 6 to 12. Now 2 5 the 10. 2 6 12, 2 5 the 10. Now 26 by 5. 26 by 5. So 26 by 5 we should convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, 26 by 5. 5 5 5 the 25. So 1 remaining. So that is, so 5 is whole number, numerator is 1 by 5. 5 1 by 5. So ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ LCM 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ LCM 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 10 ಇಂದ, so 10 1 10 the 10. 1 10 the 10. So again multiply here 10. Okay, 12 10 12 10 the 120. Okay, next Guruji LCM 10 is 10 1 the 10. So 1 we have multiply. So here multiply also 1. So 68 on the 68. So we have get 120 minus 68. So we have get 52. 52 by 10. Okay, 52 by 10. So now take the reduced form. 226 the 52. 2 5 the 10. Okay, so we have get 26 by 5. So 26 by 5 has to be converted into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction 5 1 by 5. This is the answer. Okay, can you solve next one or another example? Okay, now solve second one example. Okay, now the second question. Subtract the difference of 6 by 12 and 1 by 24 from 9 4 by 12. So look at that. Subtract the difference of 6 by 12 and 1 by 24. First ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವೆರಡರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್, so biggest number is 9 4 by 12. First we can take the first number. Next, subtract 6 by 12 minus 1 by 24. 1 by 24. So now first subtract this number. So first we can convert. So all the this sum has to be converted into mixed sums are there. So first we can convert improper fraction. 12 in the 108. 108 plus 4, 112 by 12 minus. Okay, so here different. Okay, 6 by 12 minus 1 by 24. So then take the LCM of 12 and 24. LCM of 12 and 24 is 12 24. Okay, I will take 12. Yes, 12 1 the 12 to the 2 1. So 12 to the 24. 12 to the LCM is 24. So 112 by 12 minus LCM is 24. Here also 24. Now we should take an 12 to the 24. Here also multiply 2. 6 to the 12. 24 on the 24. Here multiply 1. 1. So what we get answer? 112 by 12 minus 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1. 11 by 24. By 24. So we can subtract this number. Again we can subtract this number. So okay, next 12 and 24 as it is we can get the LCM is 24. 24 we already done. So LCM of 12 and 24 is LCM is 12. So we have already done. So don't do again. Okay, 12 to the 24. We have multiplied 2. So 112 into 2. So we have get 224. So 24 on the 24. Here multiply 1. So 11 on the 11. So what we get answer? 224 minus 11. 224 minus 11. So we have get 213. Is it right? Yes, 213 by 24. 24. So this number is improper fraction. Let me convert it to mixed fraction. So 213. So this number has to be converted into short form using the short form. Take the short form. Can be both the numbers can be divided. Okay. 3 8 the 3 7 the 3 1 the 71 by 8 s 71 by 8. 3 8 the next to 371 the 71 1 the 371 1 the. So we have get 71 by 8. 71 by 8. So 71 by 8 we can convert it into mixed fraction because it is improper fraction. So as improper fraction. Okay. 8 8 the 64. 8 8 the 64. 8 8 the 64. What we get answer? Yes, it is 11. It is 6. It is 7. Yes. So we have get 7. So we should write 8 7 by 8. This is the answer. 8 7 by 8. This is the answer. 8 7 by 8. 8 8 is 64. 7 is remaining. Okay, this is a mixed fraction. So okay. Okay, next one, third one question. We have to go for third one. Okay, students, now it is third question. What should be added to 5 by 16 to make it equal to 15? So 5 by 16 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so what should be added to 5 by 16 to make it equals to 5 6 15? 15 equal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ನಂಬರು, so we should find out. Okay, ಈಗ 2 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 3. ಸೊ 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಹಂಗೆ 15 ಅನ್ನ 5 by 16 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 15 minus 5 by 16. Okay, so 15 having no number, so we should write, okay, this is a wait 15 minus 5 by 16. Okay, so 15 having no denominator, we should write understand for 1 5 by 16. So LCM of 1 and 16 is 16. Is it right? Yes, 16. Now, so we should find 16. 1 16 the 16. Here 16 5 the 15 6 the 16 the 6 5 the 30. 3 carry. 6 1 the 6. 6 plus 3 9 plus 15. Next 40 240. So 1 carry 240. Yes, 240. 240 minus 16. 16 on the 16. 5 on the 5. Okay, so what we get answer? 235 by 16. Is it right? 240 less 5. So we have get 235. Now 235 by 16. Let me convert it to mixed fraction. Okay, 35 converted to 16. 16 on the 16. So we have get 7. It is 2 1. It is 13. 13 less 6 7. 5 75. 16 4 the 64. So we have get 11. Okay, now so here 14 11 by 16. 14 11 by 16. So 5 by 16 ಗೆ 14 11 by 16 ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so we have get the, what is it? We have get the 15. So what should be added? 14 11 by 16 ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so we have get the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. So 235. So 235 has to be divided into mixed fraction. So it is get 14 11 by 16. Okay, so this is the answer. So I will go for last question, fourth one. Okay, that is the last question. Add 6 by 15 to the difference of 5 3 by 4 and 2 1 by 8. So this is the question. Okay, first add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 6 by 15 plus subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವನ difference means subtract. 5 3 by 4 minus 2 1 by 8. This is the question. Is it right? Yes, 2 1 by 8, 5 3 by 4 and 6 by 15. Okay, first we can subtract the numbers. 6 by 15 plus, okay, so we can convert it into improper fraction. 4 5 the 20, 20 by 20 plus 3, 23 by 4 minus 2 8 the 16, 17 by 8. Find the LCM of 4 and 8. LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So it is clear. Okay, 4 and 8. 2 4 2 2 the 2 4 the, again 2 1 the 2 2 the 2 taken, 2 1 the 2. So LCM is 2. 6 by 15 plus, so here 8, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8. So 23 to the 23 to the 46 minus 8 1 the 8, 17 on the 17, 17 by 8. Is it right? Now So go for 6 by 15 plus, so denominator is 6, denominator is 8, 46 minus 17, 46 minus 17. So 3, it is 16, 16 less 7, 16 less 7, 9. Okay, 4, 3 less 1, 2, 29, 29. So so we can find out the answer. So subtraction over difference, we have to find out what is the difference. 29 by 8. If difference ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂತು 29 by 8 ಬಂತು. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Add 6 by 15. So add 6 by 15. Find out the LCM of 15 and 8. Find the LCM of 15 and 8. LCM of 15 and 8. So what is LCM of 15 and 8? I hope 90, I think 15, 8. Okay, can we check the 15 and 8? So can we rub this one? 2 and 4. LCM of 15 and 8. Okay, 15, both the numbers. Okay, can we find 3, 5 the 8 as it is? Okay, 5 again, 5 on the 8 the. So again 8, 3, 5 the 15, 15 8 the 120, 15 8 the 120. So now 15 120. So if using the 120, then make the equivalent fractions. So you have no space. Okay, so I written here 16 by 15 plus 29 by 8. So we can take the 120 here, also 120. Okay, 15 8 the, so here multiply 8, 16 6 8 the 6 8 the 48 plus, so 8 15 the, so here multiply 15, 29 into 15, 29 into 15, multiply 29 into 15, 5 9 the 45, 5 9 the 45, 4 carry, 5 to the 10, 10 plus 4 14 plus, again multiply 1, 1 9 the 9, 1 to the 2. Okay, 5 3 4, 435, 435, 435 plus 48. So we can adding 435 plus 48. Okay, the 3 1 carry 83, 483 by 120, 483 by 120. This 483 120 by, so 120. Now we have get the answer. So we can make to arrange it in mixed fraction. Now we have get the answer. Okay, 483 by 40. So now these numbers are divided by 3. Okay, 3 4 the 12, 3 0 the 0, 340 the 120. So now we can using this number again 3, 3 1 the 3, 1 remaining 18, 3 6 the 18, 3 6 the 18. Okay, so 3 will remaining, 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3, 161 by 40, 161 by 40. So 161 by 40, let me convert it into mixed fraction. 161 by 40, 4 for the 40 for the 160, remaining 1. So 4 1 by 40, 4 1 by 40. This is the answer. So keep in mind. So these are all the questions right in CW. Okay, one time you have to practice in the HW. So there are different questions. Okay, so exercise 7B, fifth main, you have to practice one time in the HW. Okay, so it is very very easy. So we have to practice it. Okay, students. So now I have to fraction chapter 1 chapter is there, one exercise part is there, that is exercise 7G. Okay, I will discuss in the live classes. Okay, students, uh, you have to watch this video and write in CW. Dhanyavad students. Thank you so much.